Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the button shortcuts or button hotkeys on this device. First, we need to press and hold the menu button to open the menu. Now, once you open the menu, use the down button to scroll down through the menu and scroll down until you find the system option. Once you select the system, press the GPS button to enter. Then scroll down again, find the option called Hotkeys, and press the GPS button. And right here we have different combinations of hotkeys. Something like hold GPS, hold back button, hold down button, hold GPS plus down, GPS plus up, backlight plus light, or rather back plus light, my bad, and stuff like that. Find the combination of keys you want to use for certain shortcut. For example, I'm gonna select back plus up. So back and up buttons. Once you find the desired combination and select it, press the GPS button to enter. And here we have the list of functions we can assign for this combination of keys. For example, we can select flashlight, press the GPS button to confirm. And now, as you can see, back plus up combination will open the flashlight. So if we press and hold the back plus up buttons, it's gonna turn on the flashlight like this. And if you press it again, I believe, no, it won't turn it off. So we need to press the back button. We can also use something else, maybe music controls line. And once you press the buttons, oh my bad, let's press them again. Like this, it's gonna open the music controls. And you can do it for every combination on that list there. And that's how you customize the button shortcuts or hotkeys on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.